Yeah, you can start it, Andreas.
Kan maybe before that, I would like to have the link for CM discussion first.
Oh yeah,
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. So I will be the one sharing the screen, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, wait a second, it's still loading, I think. Okay, okay. All right. So thank you everyone for coming to our CMBD Scrum today. First of all, I think we will be starting on the community discussion management to see which of these discussion has not been concluded yet. Uh, I think first one should be this one, yeah, by Mr. Jing. Is that correct, Kak Randy?
Sure.
Yes,
Yeah.
I put that like last
Okay,
time.
okay. Maybe I would like talk to Mr.
And
Jing or Wayana to.
Sure shall. Okay, I'll go ahead and get started. Thank you, Andreas. So this is one thing that I've noticed that works really well. Back a few months ago, this is actually before everybody came to Book of Vista, we found that there's a pretty effective way to organize canvassing. Now, canvassing is something that I think requires quite a lot of motivation to do. It's a little bit like getting up early in the morning to do exercises. So what we discovered is it's actually pretty effective if you get everybody to do it together, like Gotong Royong. So we call these canvassing expeditions, and we would deploy into a particular neighborhood and do it en masse with like 4, 6, 8, 10 Vistans at a time. So anyway, I noticed that this worked. I think when Lolita joined Wayana and Dean to do some canvassing. So my proposal is this, because we're seeing that there's pretty effective results from canvassing, and that's been historically proven anyway, just by looking at the number of properties that we brought in. So I just wanted to suggest that we can organize canvassing expeditions perhaps a few times a month with all the people that we have in Mali already, and perhaps in Jogja too, perhaps other places as well. And this can become one of our lead generation techniques. And I'll pass the floor back to Andreas.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. So maybe first of all, the one who wants to answer Mr. Jing is from Wayana. Maybe would you like to reply to what Mr. Jing has said?
yeah, so basically, I would like to do the execution. Thank you for putting the reminder of the best practice that we have. So what I'm gonna do, the next step is I'm gonna do the execution of this. So I'm planning to basically to discuss with the team. So I'm planning to do it like twice a month. Participant will be that in here Nadine, Wayana, Rapik, Andy, Lalita, and also Tandy mentioned Michael in Denpasar. So this six person I would like to invite. Like when they come, they can come to do canvassing together. And from that, and also I will need to discuss with Kyla what kind of system the best for coordination based on current system. And then from that, so I'm gonna organize based
Okay, thank you, Mukwaina. Is there anyone who?
More offline canvassing too.
yeah,
I want to learn about it.
Okay, Om Rafiq, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for this for bring this one, this Jing and Wayana for this one. This is very good idea actually. So The first one we need to mapping, same like what Yana said. We need to organize who will go there, who will go where. That is, I only need the information about the system. Should we put it on the Airtable, and how was the workflow? That is only my question. Back to you, Chen. For more organized this system. So because before we just have it, and where should we put it on? What is the information that we needed to put it there? So who will be contact the next person like that? So we
Yeah.
need to make it clear this one.
I have the idea of that already. So I need to coordinate like the mapping and the system, and who gonna do what and who gonna unpass in which area. So at the moment I haven't put in place yet. So one I have the data, where to put the data, who gonna input into data, and then which area, and then who gonna do it, and I'm gonna invite you all basically to have orientation. So that's my plan. Kyla, yes.
It's like this ya, Mok ya. Mokoena will decide who to input the data, who to execute it, and so on, and then you will invite us later if it is completed.
Yeah, so who will decide to input the data, who to execute it, and also which channel that everyone can update basically in the when the online canvassing is no time actually to go to a system. So we need air support. Who gonna be the air support? So for the canvasser, we're gonna upload the name, the villa, the name of the villa, and then basically the GPS by sharing. Normally in the WhatsApp group that I can imagine the easiest, and then we need air support to input into the data Airtable. That's what I'm thinking.
When do you think you will be finished with this, Mokoena?
So for the discussion, I will be have it today with Kyla, and then for the mapping, I think tomorrow. So by the end of the day tomorrow should be I have rough idea which area, and then who gonna be who's going there, and then what you call basically the flow and the area that who gonna do it. So we're gonna have discussion by the end of the day of tomorrow.
All right. So who's raising the hand now? Oh yeah, Katendi ya. Okay. Go ahead, Katendi.
Okay, thank you, Andreas. So maybe this question to Mbak Wayan. So for the mapping, my question is, did you mapping using the what's called the platform? You see which villa that have a low occupancy or something, or how you gonna what is the technique for the mapping, Mbak?
Oh, thank you for the question. For area mapping, we don't normally get the villa, so we target the area. So when we target the area, we give it to each basically PIC, and then each PIC will go around to based on the map that we are pointing.
Okay, so for that's
Yeah.
that's for mapping, yeah, because our target now is villa, right? And then
Yeah.
villa, what I know, like the villa mostly they have maybe they have guests, right? And then maybe if we just go and then knock the villa, we disturb the guest or something, and then the owner maybe will upset or something. So because it's different than guest house, like previously, if guest house there will be someone staff there, right? And then villa that might be a guest there. So it's that's like
Interesting question, Tendi.
yeah. So it's like how we what's called get the contact with the good way, like that, with the
I
yeah,
see.
like that. So it's not
There
this
is,
make the owner upset or something. Hey, why you disturb my guest or something? So that like that. So
no,
yeah, I
okay.
think we need
Well,
to
very
think
good
about that.
question. Okay, very good question. Actually, we went to Canggu. Most of the villa actually occupied. So
Yeah.
what we do is knock the door, And then I'm asking, hey, I'm looking for a villa. Are you the owner or the guest? Gitu. If the guest, I said like, hey, do you tend to know like the number of the owner? Because I'm looking for a villa like not for today, actually like 3 or 6 months in the future gitu. Jadi most of the contact that I got in Canggu was from the guest actually.
Okay. So it's okay if we knock and then talk with the guest, right?
Yes, actually it's mengurangi blocker gitu kayak Kalau umpamanya manajernya kadang dia ngeblok. Oh, saya kontak. Saya tanya ownernya dulu ya gitu. Kalau guest karena dia itu it's nothing to do with the owner, itu biasanya dikasih. Unless guestnya mau stay setahun atau belum tentu gitu, biasanya nggak dikasih karena dia takut ke threat. Dia akan dipindah atau gimana gitu.
Oh, I see.
Cuman but most of the guests give the number of the itu. Kalaupun nggak punya number, how did you book this place Airbnb? Apa nama account-nya gitu. Kita cari account-nya gitu. Jadi memang perlu banyak hustle sih and kreatif kalau di offline gitu.
Okay. Okay.
Nanti
So
ada orientation-nya gimana sih kalau
Yeah.
maunya guest itu gimana pertanyaannya, gimana sih approach-nya biar nggak awkward gitu kalau ada guest, kalau guest yang keluar.
okay.
Nanti aku
Do we already have the target for this offline canvassing?
target of the villa, what do you mean?
Target to get the leads like that.
Oh, how many leads do you want to get?
Yeah. So
We
yeah.
haven't have it yet. So I think after we have that and we can have discussion like kita realitinya bisa dapat berapa target, kita discuss nanti untuk
Okay. So the
Biar
mapping first ya.
ya biar semua orang nanti istilahnya punya goalnya lah gitu.
Okay then. Okay then. If there's any question, we can do the sub discussion, Bo ya.
Ya.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yang lain ada pertanyaan?
Yeah, Mokwaina, don't forget to also write the discussion as the secretary. I remember that Om Rafiq would like to ask something as well. Om Rafiq, if you would.
I just want to mention about what is Wayana said. So it's the same, right? So pretend to be a guest, just knock the door and asking the owner. That is pretty simple, I think. So that is from what is I discussed with Nadine also. Just knock the door and pretend to be a guest. I want to stay, and then please give me the contact like that. So the most important right now is how's the operation right now. So that is how the flow. So for example, I go to Canggu and how to put it the lead, and we will contact the leads like that. So we only need that one. This is very good idea, but we need the sub discussion. But we don't need to discuss till here. So at least we know this person want to be PIC. So maybe Wayana will be the champion for this one. So we will have a sub discussion for this because this is also for the partnership squad. That is I know. Back to you, Andreas.
Oh yeah, thank you, Om Rafiq. Mokwaina, do you want to reply? Do you agree? Do you consent being the champion of this campaign?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess that's that then. So this is still not 100% ready, okay? Will need to be discussed later, okay?
Yeah.
About the twice amount participant, which area? Okay.
Yes. Participant, I already got it, and then I just need to discuss with Laila about the flow and decide who gonna be the air support, and then decide the channel of the canvasser upload their result.
Boyan.
Yeah.
Maybe for what's called to see all the data that we have, maybe you can create the card on your list, so everything is there like as your PIC like that on the Trello for this initiative.
Okay, make basically have a Trello card, yes?
Yeah, for
Yeah,
this
sure.
offline canvassing.
Yeah.
Who's the one that raised the hand? I don't know.
Attendee, actually, we already
Oh.
have the card. We can join that with the offline canvassing card with Canadian.
Mhm.
He's actually in charge of the report, so maybe we don't need to another card.
Okay. Yeah, I think this is the pivot, right? For the expedition list, like the new way or the new method, right? Or the was not the method, like because I saw on the card campaign is only for the result, but this is like a new initiative for the way, right? For the method. What do you think, guys?
For this, I think more like scalable, like expedition instead of like before we have like because just our initiative like not like in a big scale. So now we have more people, so we need to have a system like it's just two of us, so we don't go to a table and then like basically independent because now we have a team outside of like BD. Of course, we need a system, right? So maybe to Kyla, like for this is like a call of pivot, or should we need like revision or like chapter 2, like how the you call this in the in the recording.
Pivot then,
Pivot. Okay.
or maybe just a checklist. Okay.
Okay then. So yeah, I delegate that to Kyla to basically for the pivot. Are you accept the nomination, Kyla?
Is this okay, Mok?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, done.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mark. Also, I would like to answer, I think, about the third point, yeah, about what kind of system should we use that can support Airtable. Actually, I've just somewhat finished the system just today, actually, based on my discussion with Kabayu and Bella. And now, as a whole, partnership will only use form to input the data. And since the form input is you can use that even in mobile version, I think it should pose no problem for offline canvassing. If you want to input the data, you can just use the form whenever and wherever you want, basically, even in mobile. Probably the only problem that you will have is whether you have the good connection or not, since I cannot guarantee that you will have fast interconnection when you do offline canvassing, right? But overall, as a whole, the system is already finished, and you can ask me about it if you want to know further about the system itself.
Okay.
Okay, jadi so the only thing that is not answered, this one, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I think we're done with this discussion. We just need to wait for Mokwana till Mokwana is finished with the mapping, basically. Okay, so I think we will move on to the next discussion, which is from Kak Tendi about full stack plan. Kak Tendi, if you would.
Okay, thank you, Andreas. So yeah, I had discussed with Dila today that we will use the Nayaka, right, for the MVP, and then we will cover the cost for the 1 month because we use this villa as a MVP. So because we have the time 1 month for the MVP, so maybe my question is how we actually maximize this property to get the goal of our full stack MVP. Because if we want to get
I'm
the
sorry,
good
is it just me or is Kak Tendi lagging?
hello, is it okay now?
Attendee.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Kak Tendi, are you there?
Yes,
Or
I'm
am I
here.
the one freezing? Oh,
Did
okay.
you did you hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I
Oh
hear you.
yeah.
I hear you. Do continue, Kak.
Okay, so I will repeat, yeah. So yeah, we use Nayaka as the MVP, right? And then because we have 1 month to for what's called for doing this MVP, and then cover the cost. And then my question is how we maximize this property to get the goal of our full stack MVP like that. So because if we want to get the result that we want, so I think we need also to push the occupancy, and then to see the what's called the progress itself. Because if there is no occupancy, it's just like a one guest, two guests. I think the owner is not to feel the impact of our full stack like that. So yeah, that's actually my question to the floor.
Okay. Before we continue, is it just me or is Katendi kind of unstable in this meeting right now?
Yeah, he's kind of unstable.
Okay, Katendi, maybe you would like to.
Thank you, Andreas. I think it's Tendi is lagging. I think Tendi is back. Yeah. So this one is because I was the what's called one of the person who's on the full stack management, right? So the first one, yes, we agree to give 1 month free for like housekeeping and everything to the villa, exactly. And then how to maximize the property to get the booking. That exactly is going to the reservation, right? Attendees. To the reservation, because this is a villa and also it's very good villa. I think it's now villa is more the what is called yang paling dituju untuk para tamu. So that is how to maximize the goal exactly. The vendor already is ready from Dila, Anis, and also, yeah, I'm not mistaken, is Bayu already have like many vendors this one. And how to make the owner satisfied with this? Honestly, this is still under discussion, Dandy. So how to the workflow of the full stack right now? Because before I tell to VD and the others, if you have an MPP, just, I'm sorry to say, just guess who's the property manager. It could be me, or it could be you, or it could be somebody else. As long the property can be run first. Because if we only talking, okay, you get free, you get this one, you get this one, but no action will be not working, right? So right now we need to work action from Dila and Anis and talk with the owner, this one the vendor, and make a contract, and then we can go there and maximize the property. That is I can say it, because the vendor already fixed housekeeping, laundry, and everything. So we need to the agreement between the BP and also the owner from the contract. I think this contract already make it by Lilis and by USA. So we need to the agreement from the owner only, and then we can gas like that. Because if we just sorry ya, tentunya kalau kita ngomong aja susah jadinya, dan jadi kita langsung harus action. We must action, do MPP, bla 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 bla. Harus berani gini dulu, berani jalan dulu. Kalau nggak berani ya nggak bakal bisa jalan. Itu sih indiku. Siapapun bisa jadi. Bayu mention is who will be the property manager. It can be everybody. Property manager who knows the property. I can be the property manager for a while, for example, for 1 month. We can see the flow. Kalau bagus banget, nanti kita bisa, we can delegate the property manager to somebody else if already running. That is my concern, Dandy. Yeah, back to chair. Maybe Wayana, we have something to comment.
Yeah, I just want to ask this. So for the MBV, so do we have a guest already there or what?
The villa is empty, Mo.
Okay.
The villa is empty.
If it's empty, how you gonna evaluate how things works?
Sorry.
If the villa empty, how you gonna evaluate is it work or no?
Yeah, that is exactly, that is going to the the first one, I think we need to know what is the agreement between the owner and BP. What is will be covered by BP, what is will be covered by the owner. That is the first one we need to know. And then the second one, just take a photo shoot and then push it on the Airbnb or anything. And then after that, we can do the operational. That's kayak gitu Mbok. Karena sekarang sorry ya aku pakai bahasa
Kalau
Indonesia.
the agreement sama Bukit Vista udah clear, udah sign MOU, P.
Enggak, MOU untuk full stack-nya belum, Mbok.
Enggak, kalau full stack ini nggak MOU, ownernya agree-nya yang biasa. Cuman sini kan karena mau coba program kita, jadi cost-nya wherever that we do di luar dia, cuman set ekspektasi aja kan. Cuman kalau umpamanya nggak ada tamu, jadi the first thing we need is like dari BI sama HR dulu, ini gimana dapat tamu gitu biar jalan. Nah, terus setelah itu kalau yang cover cost per 1 month itu apa aja gitu. Nah, jadi biar clear itu apa yang kita ngurus, terus 1 month itu apa aja gitu cleaning. Jadi kita juga akan istilahnya set ekspektasi ke ownernya, Bu, ini kita jadiin MVP. Jadi di bulan pertama kita ini kasih free semua gitu. Kalau mau lanjut umpamanya itu berapa bulan mungkin kasih fee yang sama dengan service yang kita kasih, istilahnya upgrade gitu ya, karena udah MVP. Umpamanya nanti 3 bulan ke depannya kalau mau pakai kita itu baru kena 30%. Gitu sih rencananya kemarin. Based on based on pitching deck-nya gitu. Nah, cuman di sini nih istilahnya masih general banget gitu. Jadi tamunya nggak ada, terus siapa yang akan ngelakuin belum ada, terus kapan mau nilainya, terus koordinasinya siapa sama siapa belum ada gitu. Jadi kalau belum ada yang istilahnya PIC masing-masing siapa yang melakukan apa dan kapan, itu pasti ngambang lama.
Betul. I think we need to. Did you already have meeting with Dila Tendi? What is the what is called the update for that one?
The update-nya tuh Dila just tell that we will cover the cost, and then also the photo shoot will start this Saturday. Then we can launch the listing. But she not mention the strategy how we run this program like that. So that's why I ask because as a MVP we cannot just action, but we don't know the right strategy to get the what's called maximize the result like that. Because I want we want to maximize the result, what we want to get from this MVP like that. That's actually my question. Because if we just run, then maybe there is we forget what we would do like that. So because the PIC of the each stage also is not clear yet. Like a partner manager, who is the partner manager of this villa is not there's not yet. Because maybe this villa will launch starting the end of this Augustus, will already launch listing. Then maybe we can start next month, for example. Then before next month we need to clear everything, like who is the partner manager, who will coordinate the vendor, who will be the housekeeping, because as I know, they already have the housekeeping now.
Yeah,
Then
betul.
will replace it, or they working together, or what like that. So I think that's we need to make it clear like that.
Okay. So exactly if what I get from the meeting of full stack, we only, if I'm not mistaken, we only cover the housekeeping. That is the conclusion. I'm not sure also. But we need to join the full stack meeting on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. What is the action for this one?
Yeah, I think you can maybe we can write the action plan after this, Wayan. So we will bring it to the meeting for the full stack meeting.
Yeah.
To make it everything is ready.
Okay.
Okay. Tandy, who who you gonna coordinate with, and then when?
On the full stack, I think is Bayu, Lilis, Dila, Rafiq, me,
PD.
Vidi.
Okay. So when would you like to have the discussion?
Apa Om? Saturday ya?
Yeah, Saturday we have a meeting.
Okay. And what kind of result that you're looking for?
The what's called the PIC of its apa namanya stage atau kayak pada manager the PIC of its ininya.
Kayaknya actionnya gimana gitu.
Sama clear plan planningnya gini.
Planning strateginya
Full
kayak
set
gimana.
plan-nya.
Okay. And then, Randy, can you confirm that's all what you need for the action plan?
Yes, because I think VD but yeah list I think that's all.
All? Okay. Okay, then back to the chair.
Okay, thank you. I was waiting. Okay, I guess for the next action plan, this is already okay ya Kak ya. We just need to see on Saturday this week, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, who will organize the meeting itself?
I think the meeting is already organized ya Om ya for every Saturday.
Oh, is that a full stack meeting ya Kak ya?
Yeah.
Okay. On full stack meeting. Okay, so I guess that's it for the conclusion of full stack plan discussion by Katendi. And now we move on to, I think, our last but not least discussion for today, which is also by Katendi about partner transformation stage. Katendi, if you would.
Okay, thank you Andreas. So this is the update for the transformation partner transformation. So this month we already get 5 partner that already transformed from the transaction to relationship, and then 3 partner to legacy, and then 0 from the no alignment to transaction alignment yet. So actually because we have the SLA 15 for the transformation from the transaction to relationship alignment. So yeah, I would like to bring it to the floor, like how actually we can achieve that SLA transformation in innovative way, because I think we need something that can gather the partner to what's called to pass the stage for the transaction for the relationship, like that.
All right. Thank you, Katendi. From anyone want to answer Katendi question? Please raise your hand. Wait, who is that? Who's the one clapping? Oh, Mr. Jing, would you like to answer Katendi question? Mr. Jing, I think you're muted.
Sorry about that. Yeah, no, that was me clapping. I think this is really good. Whenever we cross over one of these, this is essentially the spirit and the mission of the company, right? So, no, congratulations, Tendi. Thank you for helping possibly transform our partners.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Jing. Okay, so anyone would like to answer Katendi question?
Oh yeah,
Or maybe
Andreas.
congratulations.
So maybe I will
Okay.
tell a little bit. So which states actually we have low what's called low contribution from the partner. So actually currently the states that we still have low is the from the GMB review from the partner, and then also the called the community group event. So most of the partner, it's not what's called not too active join our event. For example, like DCSS community sharing session, to join to what's called join a program, something like online discussion or something. That's we get low, and then also the from the GMB review like that. So I think that is kind of like stay hard. But for the product service usage, I believe most of the partner already download the Bifigo. They also using the updating the toolkit as well. So I think that's also still kind of like in the middle. For the property quality control, I think we starting to boost that for the quality control, and then for the constructive feedback as well. I think that states have the most what's called contribution from the partner like that. So I think for the GMB and then community group event is still have a low contribution for the relationship.
So in conclusion, we need a solution about how to transform the GMB and community group event so we can so we can achieve the SLA ya kak ya.
Yes.
Can I have a question?
Okay. Anyone?
Yes, Mo.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For the GMB, what did you do basically? Why is basically not many participant? Because of the messaging, the way you asking a favor, or you're asking like if you tap my back, I will tap your back. So what kind of motivation? So do you motivate them, or you asking them for something? So it's depend.
Yeah, so actually, we had that the strategy for the exchange review. So usually I said that we want to increase our visibility on the Google for the searching to increase to easier to find what's called our company for booking everything, and then also we will send the review like exchange the review with you, so guess or the also easy to find your villa like that. And then actually the friction is for the messaging. I think the reply from the owner, because currently I'm handling the region 1, right? And then some owner that like usually like Pak Indra is easy to reach, but some owner like what's called foreign, it's a little bit hard. And then some owner that haven't got booking or something, they like kind of like just reading, like Bu Santi from Bodas is just reading my message, some message, just read my message, then I don't know, like, and then I try to call as well, no answer like that. So that's from region 1.
I see. What about the others? You got the others do the same thing or different?
How about region 2, Om?
Especially it's the same. For example, like me, just message because we try to find like right message, right timing, like that's right. So I just message them in the afternoon and then just say okay, and then I tell to Ross to check it and Asa to check it. Not yet, and then the next day I just message, okay, ntar ya, masih gini, ntar ya masih gini. Because like this, we don't want to disturb partner only by message every day, right? So like that. So jadi kayak gak enakan gitu loh, Mbok. Jadi tiap hari kita message dia, jangan lupa ya gini, jangan lupa. Jadi kayaknya gini, ini kenapa sih Bipi nanti gitu nanti jadinya gitu loh.
Mungkin diganti approach-nya gitu, jadi
di telepon. Udah pernah, Mbok. Oke, ntar katanya.
Basa-basi, terus kamu kasih linknya. Mumpung kita di sini, ayolah 5 menit ya, biar nanti nggak ini kalau ada pertanyaan gimana nulisnya atau bingung. Kadang orang gimana sih caranya gitu, jadi malu juga menanyakan gitu. Jadi kalau pas ini share screen gini loh, aku ngisi punyamu nih, udah nih. Udahlah kamu minta waktunya 5 menit gitu.
Ada kok beberapa partner yang easy to reach gitu loh. Jadi misalnya
ya,
dari 100%
tahu sendiri,
ya,
tahu sendiri gaptek gitu, apalagi kalau orang yang Bali tuh ya yang
Ya, Wak. Itu sih kayak juga fictionnya kayak mereka tuh gaptek gitu.
ya nggak.
Satu mungkin gaptek, Mbok. Dua mungkin lupa, Mbok. Istilahnya gini.
Tapi
Mungkin dia read oke
kalau
ntar
menurut
aja ya.
kebanyakan dia tuh nggak tahu aku harus tulis apa gitu. Jadi istilahnya kasih expectation. Jadi kalau kasih istilahnya pancing-pancing lah. Kalau nulis di sini pasti kalau diajak ngobrol tulis apa Pe? Pasti gitu dia nanya, bingung tulis
Ya,
apa kan?
ada kok kayak
Nah, jadi
call,
kalau
kayak
umpamanya gitu,
beberapa
kalau
tuh.
umpamanya barengan nulis, itu undanglah 3 orang, siapa yang kenal sama kenal. Ayo ini istilahnya gotong royong yang bermanfaat gitu. Jadi Pak nanti juga dapat ini dari Bukit Vista, dari kita juga dapat ya 5 menit aja lah gitu sambil ngopi gitu santai-santai gitu kan. Nah pasti Bapak bingung ya gitu mau nulis apa gitu umpamanya. Ya udahlah, jadi Bapak sukanya sama Bukit Vista itu apa, terus yang penting startnya gitu. Yang penting startnya 5, kalau nulisnya nggak usah komplek-komplek lah, sesuai hati aja gitu lah. Jadi tapi menurutku sih orangnya bingung harus tulis apa dan nggak tahu gitu sih menurut corporationnya. Jadi
kadang-kadang mereka cuma bikin bintang aja nggak nulis gitu loh. Jadi aku suruh perbaiki gitu loh. Kadang-kadang gitu. Jadi
mereka nggak tahu tulis apa
jadi tapi si Asa udah ngasih tahu kok istilahnya apa, jadi lebih ke what is if you kayak bikin text gitu loh, jadi aku bisa gitu.
Soalnya aku pernah minta dulu itu aku pernah minta ke Suparsa kan, aku tulis apa nih gitu, aku kasih ide, jadi dia tulisnya panjang banget kan. Terus sama yang lain juga, aku tulis apa, linknya mana gitu, jadi dia itu banyak pertanyaan untuk nulis review, tapi menurutku sih aku dulu suruh itu karena aku perlu bikin pitch deck, apa ya, perlu pokoknya untuk pitch deck gitu, untuk kita present istilahnya review dari owner gitu. Dari aku pernah di awalnya itu dari situ, jadi aku walaupun Suparsa tuh kerja di hotel, dia juga bingung loh tulis apa gitu, cuman setelah kasih linknya ya udahlah tulis apa, yang penting startnya gitu. Terus kayak si Putuh juga, terus padahal udah bilang itu aku pikir 1 yang bagus gitu, jadi harusnya 1 lah, kok 1. Nah gitu, jadi instruktur dan ininya lakuin bersama lah gitu. Jadi pas ngelakuin bersama, intinya udah kita istilahnya minta tolong dan juga meringankan dia, dan mereka juga ngerasa fun, aku juga belajar something nih gitu. Itu untuk GMB-nya sih menurut
Mr. Chair.
Oke, itu dari aku sih. Yang lain lanjut.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Okay, sure, go ahead.
Yeah, just question, Mas Sandy. So this basically this the review is the format of partners are transforming, right? Using the review.
Yeah, the stage like that.
Okay. I have idea like this, Mas Sandy. So, for example, like maybe apa namanya, partner is they don't have any apa namanya skills, or maybe giving review skill or something like that. But I have idea if maybe the partner is they are narsis gitu. So for example like si siapa namanya Bligun gitu kan. I believe this partner is quite narcissist. So we can invite them to make a video. I mean like not on visit video, but like apa virtual meeting gitu. We can ask them, hey, what do you feel about the service and so on and so on. But after that, we make this video review into we spread again on the awareness funnel, which is we can post in YouTube or we can post in Instagram and so on and so on. But I think the format of the review is different. It's not written on GMB, but now it's on the different visual like video format or other format basically. So yeah, that's maybe my idea.
Rizal.
Yeah.
Okay, my question is because we want to increase the GMB review, right? Our GMB, right? So
Yeah.
should we upload the video on the GMB or just a photo?
Okay, Mas Nadi, GMB, I think it's what is called other part of the apa namanya awareness awareness platform gitu. So yeah, you know, like if we only focus on GMB, maybe other format is maybe other platform is can help to
Okay.
basically
So
to
we have one what's called one purpose, but with two channel maybe.
yeah, it can yeah.
So maybe on the transformation, we can put the GMB review or testimonial video like that, right? Testimonial.
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's innovative, Rizal. Thank you, thank you. I think we can do that. Also, maybe when me or Rafik just going to the field, we can just video a little bit like, hey, what do you think about Bugisa like that? Okay, how many star? Like, oh yeah, 5 star or something. Then yeah, we can just send to the marketing as our Okay then.
I think can and also use this approach Mas Andi. I think you know like partner are ini kan what's called they are narcissist gitu. Bugisa have 1 million followers for example or Bugisa already have 1,000 viewers that maybe will show you in the video. So yeah, just use that approach to what is called to attract them to give the review something like that. Yeah.
I see. Okay, so we have the written and then also the visual, the video, right, for the review. Okay. Okay, thank you, Rizal. Okay, back to Andreas.
Okay. Thank you. So basically for the conclusion is using Rizal method ya. We can try using Rizal method.
I had put it on the stage as well, the format.
By testimonial video ya Kak?
Yeah.
Wait, is there any other conclusion or is the conclusion is just based on Rizal solution?
So I will repeat the conclusion. So the conclusion is community will add one more method for the review using the video review, and then also will we'll asking the partner for make the video instead of the writing on the writing on the Google GMB like that. So let's see if next week on the update we will get this new method maybe can increasing the progress of the review. Also achieve the transformation.
Okay, so the deadline is basically for next week on this on the same date on Thursday. Thursday on the Scrum, and the KPI itself is based from the GMB review increase.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other people want to say something?
All good for me.
Okay. I think all good. And I think we only have 6 minutes before the Scrum is over. And so we shall move on to the Trello, to the Trello of CMBD.
Maybe from everyone have any new topic or something that want to asking. Ross?
Just about itu sih tadi about your topic Attendi transformation state. Kan there's two yang not work well. GMB review and also community group event. We already have conclusion for GMB review. We want to try new method and how about community group event? For now we have community sharing session.
I see.
I think Ross is lagging. Can you repeat, Ross?
Okay. My vision from my region is of There's several partners want to join community sharing session. There's several partners didn't want to join. I asked from one of the yang tidak mau join, didn't join because he shame malu shame to join, but he also tell me I'm agree with the opinion from this partner. I'm agree with the suggestion from this partner. So I just accept the conclusion of the community sharing session discussion. But from other region, I didn't know about it. And for now, I think 10 from 22 partners already joined community sharing session in region 4, but other region I didn't know.
Interesting. Oh yeah, I forget that we haven't discussed about the solution to transform the community group event ya. Okay, so Kak Randy, do you have any idea for this?
Okay, so yeah, actually, I had invite some of the partner as well as Ross also know, like Pak Freddy is join, and then Dinar Hill, and then Drua Villa, they also join. But the partner that do not join, like Bingan Ombak, when I invite him, he said like, I think what's called in bahasa like kayaknya aku nggak perlu di sana, dia bilang gitu. Ya lanjut aja dah gitu, dia bilang kayak gitu kan. So I think but I also what's called try to persuade why you need to join here, because like this, because we bring the topic. I think uh, previous Scrum, if I'm not wrong, Jing also mentioned what's called the strategy for this. All right, so like we tell we make the theme or the topic, I think the theme or the topic, yeah, like to increase the revenue. Please join if you want to increase your revenue. Please join in our what's called in our sharing session, like that, because we will bring this topic, this kind of topic like that, and then we also have BI team that know the strategy like that. Maybe we need to change our strategy for approach for outreach, maybe like that. So yeah, I think we can start to implement that, Ross.
I also want to add, Sandy. I think I agree with your idea. I think like we not templatize the approach basically. So for example, like ini ya, owner in Bali gitu misalnya. So maybe in Bali owner, they interest about topic of istilahnya revenue gitu misalnya. So it will be different if we approach with property owner in Jemberan, for example, because property owner in Jemberan not in Jakarta.
Yeah.
So maybe they have different purpose or different urgency, something like that. So maybe it will be better to if we have different approach based on the partner persona to invite them to join the meeting. Yeah.
And then also I think we can document it, what's called the current approach. So in the next time, the next person, or if we want also invite them again, we know which channel they can approach, and then what topic they're interesting, and then so we can add the data like that.
Oh yeah, just quick. Maybe you can also record the session. Maybe the session when they have it in the beginning, or when they come, it's kind of like not interested, and then for the next event they will not interested. So have to be fun and insightful kalau punya event gitu. Jadi hostnya juga harus bagus gitu. Jadi kalau umpamanya hostnya di awal tuh kayak menanyakan pertanyaan-pertanyaan doang, terus jadi orang jadi bosen gitu, jadi orang nggak akan datang lagi gitu. Jadi also evaluate when you being a host gitu. Jadi kalau record, jadi kita istilahnya tonton bareng. Kalau di sini tuh, kalau aku jadi owner gimana? Sama dengan kayak pitching kita juga evaluate setelah melakukan session tuh gimana sih kita whatever that we do interest them gitu. Jadi lihat audiensnya gini nih gitu. Nah, menurutku evaluasi both sides sih menurutku itu aja.
Okay, yeah. So I think the next section, I think we have 3 or 4 video ya Ros ya, and then we can check it and analyze. So in the each member, I think we can analyze what we lack on the previous discussion, and what is the next plan for that.
Okay, Kak Tendi. I just want to make make paper about community sharing session, maybe to to segment the every time what's theme this month or what themes the next month. And also, yeah, I just need to have such discussion with you, with KM, because for the first time, when I actively, when the partner talk or community sharing session active again, I already asked you guys that, do you think that partner satisfaction survey is separate with community sharing session? Because community sharing session have more opportunity about many themes, but partner satisfaction survey is just ask about their satisfaction. And the conclusion from our discussion before is not just separate it, just combine it like that. Yeah, that's why in community sharing session we still ask about their satisfaction. Yeah, that is from me. But for my actionable plan, I want to make the paper about community sharing session.
Aku mau nambahin dikit ya, mungkin ya.
Ya Om.
Mungkin, yeah, I think it's from PSS that you sent it. This is regarding the what is you mentioned before is about their satisfaction to us. I think we need to combine. Why I say to combine? Combine is mean what's on PSS is what do you feel with BP? That is PSS. What is called written. But on community sharing session, mostly like oral, what they feeling, what they feedback, that is not written. You understand what I mean? For example, same like ngeluarin kayak Indonesia said, ngeluarin unak-unak. Kayak misalnya, what is we do it on Pak Yudi, tamunya mana, what is your strategy like that. That is don't happen on PSS, right? So the PSS about the what is the quality control, what is the revenue. The revenue right now is low. They don't have a guess, right? But in oral they will say gimana strategi BP kayak gini. Jadi kita bisa jawab seperti itu. Jadi kita ada timbal baliknya. Kalau di written itu kan ada timbal baliknya gitu sih menurutku. Mungkin nanti maybe you can make it fun, Ros. Jadi bikin yang yang buat banget tertarik gitu loh, misalnya bikin sesuatu ide yang tertarik gitu. Sama kayak aku dulu kayak bikin sama Rizal tuh spontan sama si Gun ya, langsung bikin video langsung jadi gitu. Jadi bikin aja yang gini, mungkin gini, gimana menurut Anda tentang YouTube BP, gitu mungkin, tentang Instagram BP gitu, kayak gitu. Jadi bikin sesuatu yang banyak yang datang gitu, banyak yang datang. Jadi pas mereka datang, baru kita ngomong. Jadi baru kita nanyain tentang feedback. Jangan kasih kita mau ngomongin tentang partner satisfaction nanti segitu aja gitu jadinya. Jadi bikin aja yang fun gitu loh, harus nanti biar mereka tuh tertarik juga.
Mungkin kayak bikin posternya itu juga kayak apakah Anda tahu Facebook Group atau tentang apa konten atau mungkin kayak gitu sih. Mungkin per topik kita buat ininya
Or maybe you can make a new idea, for example, referral misalnya. Kalau misalnya referral campaign, misalnya, siapa yang punya gini, tolong kasih tahu kita gimana keadaan Canggu. Gini, maybe we can split like community sharing, for example, Canggu area. How's Canggu right now? Gitu. Kita mau tahu tentang Canggu. Gitu. Mungkin orang-orang lokal tuh bakal datang kayak Kencana, Gun datang. Gimana Canggu sekarang? Kafe-kafenya rame nggak? Kayak gitu loh. Jadi kita sharing di situ. Makanya namanya community sharing. Sharing tentang komunitinya, gimana keadaan di situ gitu.
Iya Om, tapi apa namanya? Kalau misalnya menurut aku kalau di-combine ya, jadi nggak fokus gitu loh. Kayak nggak fokus dan itu bisa kayak makan waktu lama. Kita harus fokus kemana sebenarnya topik. Misalnya topik minggu ini tentang OJT sama CSR. Terus kita juga pengen ngomongin gimana sih feedback mereka, satisfaction mereka. Menurut aku kalau kayak dicampur gitu, kita nggak tahu harus fokusin kemana gitu, That's why kalau dari aku sih pengennya spread it, just like apa ya, make this event have theme. Memang aku setuju juga kalau ini punya tema. Misalnya kita ngadain tiap sekali 2 minggu atau sekali sebulan ada temanya gitu. Tapi kalau dicampur sama PSS, kan awalnya CSS ini kan merupakan PSS interview yang dikembangin jadi CSS. Tapi pas setelah PSS interview, aku melihat ada peluang-peluang lain untuk bahas-bahas yang mungkin partner-partner lebih tertarik. Jadi ya aku bingungnya di situ sih.
Menurut kamu tuh OJT sama CSR tuh menarik nggak?
Iya, itu menarik. Makanya aku bilang kalau kita bahas OJT sama CSR aja itu bisa sejam juga. Kapan kita mau bahas?
Enggak, kita gini. As a host, kamu harus bisa kayak interpersonal. Dalam artian gini, misalnya ngomongin OJT, habis itu kamu senggang dikit, kamu nanyain PSS. Salah satu topik di PSS, kamu tanyaan itu, habis itu kita lanjut ke CSR, habis itu tanya lagi ke topik lain gitu. Menurut aku sih. Nanti kita diskusi deh.
Diskusikan aja.
Ya. Mungkin kita gini, besok kita diskusi tentang CSS gimana?
Ya besok boleh.
Ros, tolong invite ya Ros ya ke Jika lah.
CSS jadi PSS.
Ya.
Oke, baik Andreas.
Okay,
udah lebih.
I guess from Karos as well, and will there be some discussion, Karos?
Ya. Aku sebenarnya I have a interesting idea for CSS. Why we don't introduce a new BP? Right? The new BP member, SAR1, BI1. Jadi, this is your handling the reservation. This is handling this one. So, they interact each other, right? Jadi, lebih what's called, lebih hidup, more life for the discussion.